Hey. And it's official. I am monetized with YouTube. Hey. I've been working, trying to get monetized with YouTube forever in 2 days. And I am finally monetized with YouTube. It's official. I had to go through and apply after I hit my 4,000 hours of watch time. I've been having 1,000 subscribers. I'm up to 2,000 subscribers now, but it's official. It's official. So I can take my super chats on YouTube. I can do all of that on YouTube. I'm already monetized with Facebook Reels. I'm already monetized with Facebook Stars, so I can accept stars on Facebook and things like that. But my goal is YouTube. YouTube is your long term, your real solid money that you could build a foundation on. Facebook, it's a with the Reels program, it's social related, so it's up and down, up and down. You got your challenges that you can make money with and everything, but it's so up and down, and it's so you have to have viral content. YouTube, you can kind of predict it. Once you get it going, you can start predicting your income and you can make it grow by just knowing the right things to do. So that's why I'm so excited about YouTube, because it's a different ball game. I'm already monetized with TikTok, and I'm in the creative fund with TikTok and stuff like that, and I got my products. But YouTube was the goal. It should be everybody's goal. YouTube is the place to be. I really love the fact that I finally got monetized. Boy, you don't know how long. I was already monetized with Google AdSense. I already had Google AdSense on my sites. But the fact is that I'm monetized with YouTube. And I done looked at my back office, all this, you can see your revenue and all that. I ain't made no revenue yet because I just applied. Like, I got approved in like 24 hours. So, it takes 2 days for your stuff to start showing up. So it don't show nothing yet because it was just on the 21st that they sent me the congratulations, you've been approved and everything. So I haven't had enough time to generate income. Although I'm getting views, and I got like, from last 30 days, 28 days, I know I made at least 22,000 views. So my views is kind of rolling over. That's the best part about being with YouTube. Your views continue to roll over as long as you got good quality videos out there. So my views are actually rolling over. So I know I'm at least have at least 20 something thousand views. If I can make my goal to be at least 100,000 views a month, that's my goal right now. If I can get 100,000 views a month with my YouTube, it's gonna be on and popping. So I'm gonna be recording. I ain't gonna be vlogging and carrying on like that. I'm not the best vlogger in the world or nothing like that. But I'm gonna record my YouTube journey, and my first 2 cents, I already done posted it. I made 2 cents. Hey. I'm just talking about I'm monetized with YouTube now. I done finally made my first 2 cents. You could say I'm bragging. But I'm gonna record my YouTube journey and show how it's going. I'm excited about it. I want to show every step of the way. So I can kind of see what everything ain't gonna be the same for everybody, because everybody's in different niches. Everybody got different CPMs, cost per thousand views and stuff like that. But giving people something to look forward to so that they know to keep pushing. You got to know what to push for. The best thing to push for is YouTube, because once you get in the door with that, some people already monetize with it. Some people ain't. You know what I mean? Some people are already using affiliate marketing, and some people are already using sponsorships and things like that. But some people ain't. So it ain't for the people who already know it. It's for the people who don't. So what I'm going to be doing is recording my journey for the people who don't know it. You know what I mean? So showing people, and I'm coming up with my YouTube playbook. So how to turn your YouTube content into profits, the playbook. So to show the steps that I took and what I'm taking, because I'm so fresh. I ain't got nothing. I don't have no, I made $20,000 this month. I don't have that. I made 2 cents, because guess what? It ain't started calculating yet. Now I'm working on my YouTube content, because it's the most important when it comes down to growth and trying to grow your stuff, have a predictable income, YouTube is the place for me. So you can get super chats and you can get a thank you. People can give you a thank you when they like your content. You can do more with YouTube when you have certain types of content. So I'm just doing what I need to do, and I knew YouTube was the platform that I was shooting for the whole time. I've been shooting for YouTube. I just ain't been talking about it because Facebook came first, but I still was shooting for YouTube. So I am so excited about it. I had to get on. I had to stay down for a couple of days because I had the flu or something, and I was down. I still got a little cough. I just wanted to get on here and say it's official. It's official. Now, some people going, when things start happening and you start moving forward, when you start moving forward and when you start doing stuff that you've been trying to do, you've been doing it. You ain't just started this yesterday. I ain't just started my page. I ain't just started shooting for it. But the minute you start moving forward, guess what somebody gonna say? Stay humble. Now, if you wasn't humble, you wouldn't be moving forward. But people that stay at a certain level, they always try to get you back down to that level by bringing you backwards. You know what I mean? Stay humble. The Lord will take it away. Why would the Lord take it away when he gave it to me? You know what I mean? Like, so you got to be able to really watch your surroundings when you start growing, because when you start growing, everybody wants to bring you back down. People don't be happy for you. If you show that you made 5 cents, they're going to say, you bragging, even though when you made 1 cent, you were still showing people that you made 1 cent. When you make 10,000, you can still show people because you helping the people that you inspiring people that's making the 10,000. So when you start growing, you got to be careful of your surroundings because you don't want people taking you backwards. You walking in your purpose and you doing what you're supposed to be doing. If you're supposed to be helping people in a certain way, you got to watch out for the things that people will say to try to bring you back down because they're not growing at all. So you got to start really making sure your connections are genuine and make sure that you stay connected to the right types of people, because everything you do, somebody gonna be critiquing, somebody gonna be criticizing, somebody gonna be trying to take you backwards, somebody's gonna tell you to stay humble. You ain't never not been, but all of a sudden you got to stay. What are you talking about? They don't even need to come out, but it's so many. It's just the words people use to keep you bound and going backwards. That's what all it is.